Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Gamaarz. Today, we have an exciting product review for you. Cutting Edge Green, a review of the efficient and eco-friendly cordless lawn mower with LED headlights, dual batteries and rapid charger ***, maintaining a lush, manicured lawn just got a whole lot greener with the latest cordless lawn mower that promises not only efficiency but also eco-friendliness, boasting features such as LED headlights, dual batteries, and a rapid charger. This cutting-edge mower is poised to revolutionize your lawn care routine. One of the standout features of this cordless lawn mower is its commitment to environmental sustainability. Equipped with a powerful electric motor, it eliminates the need for gas, significantly reducing carbon emissions and minimizing your ecological footprint. This transition to an electric-powered mower aligns with the growing trend toward eco-friendly alternatives in the realm of lawn care. The LED headlights are a game-changer, providing unparalleled convenience for those who prefer to tackle lawn maintenance during the cooler evening hours or early morning. The bright, energy-efficient lights illuminate the mowing path, ensuring precision and safety even in low-light conditions. This thoughtful addition not only enhances functionality but also showcases a commitment to user-centric design. One of the main concerns with cordless mowers has always been battery life. Here, the dual batteries come into play, addressing this issue head-on. The inclusion of two high-capacity batteries extends the runtime, allowing users to cover larger areas without interruptions for recharging. This dual battery system not only enhances efficiency but also caters to the needs of users with more extensive lawn spaces. Complementing the dual batteries is the rapid charger, a crucial component that ensures minimal downtime. The rapid charger is designed to juice up the batteries swiftly, providing a quick turnaround between mowing sessions. This feature is a significant advancement, eliminating the frustration of waiting for hours to recharge and making the cordless mower a viable alternative to traditional gas-powered counterparts. In terms of performance, the cordless lawn mower doesn't compromise on cutting power. The electric motor delivers consistent and robust performance, easily handling various grass types and lengths. The adjustable cutting height settings cater to individual preferences, allowing users to achieve the desired lawn length with precision. Beyond its functional features, the cordless lawn mower is designed with user comfort in mind. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing strain on the hands and arms during operation. The lightweight design adds to the overall maneuverability, making it easy for users of all ages to navigate the mower around the lawn with ease. The efficient and eco-friendly cordless lawn mower with LED headlights, dual batteries and rapid charger is a stellar addition to the world of lawn care. With its commitment to environmental sustainability, innovative features such as LED headlights, dual batteries for extended runtime, and a rapid charger for minimal downtime, this mower stands out as a front-runner in the market. Its efficient performance and user-friendly design make lawn maintenance not only a breeze but also a green and eco-conscious endeavor. Say goodbye to the hassle of gas-powered mowers and embrace the future of efficient and eco-friendly lawn care.